You know what, Fred? There's 4 major myths that everybody gets wrong. You never, ever have to make a payment with a reverse mortgage. That is awesome. You never come off the title. You have to pay the taxes and insurance. That means you still own it. That means people have always thought that the bank would own it. They don't. They just have a lien on the property, okay? You never owe more than the house is worth. So if you live there for another 30 or 40 years and your house loses value and you go to sell it, FHA is going to make up the difference. That means it's a non-recourse loan. If the house is worth less, then when it comes time to sell it, then FHA, who insured the loan, is going to pay the bank whatever the difference is. Least but not last, you never pass debt on to your heirs. Your children, your beneficiaries will never have to make up the difference with this non-recourse loan. They don't owe anything. And if there's any equity left in the house, your kids are going to get that equity. The third item, your home must be owned free and clear to qualify. That's an absolute falsehood. Most reverse mortgage borrowers, in fact, most of the loans, Fred, you and I make, about 70% of them nowadays are people who are trying to pay off their house, get out from out under a house payment. So if you've got a current mortgage, you can get a reverse mortgage, and we're happy to help you do that. Item number 4. This money is going to be taxable. That's a falsehood. Whoever told you that, don't believe them. The money is tax-free. The IRS has already ruled on that. You don't ever have to worry about paying taxes on this money. It's tax-free money. Another item that everybody gets concerned about, Fred, is, well, does this affect my Social Security and my Medicare? This will not affect anything negative about your Social Security or Medicare. I don't know where that rumor got started, but it doesn't hurt them. It doesn't affect it at all. Doesn't create a problem. Your Medicare and Social Security is protected. Nothing can happen to it. So, folks, those are 4 myths that you never, ever have to worry about again.
Reverse mortgages are sourced by private companies, and you should be wary because there is very little government protection.
Wrong again. KAAM's reverse mortgage loan officer, NormanWilliams, will be the first to tell you that his industry is one of the most heavily regulated in the country, specifically by the FHA and HUD. These heavy regulations are designed to protect seniors, protect you from being taken advantage of. Norm Williams knows this better than anyone, for not only is he a reverse mortgage loan officer and has reverse mortgage on his own home, his company has brokered hundreds and hundreds of reverse mortgages, all of which he has overseen. This means he will answer any question you can throw at him because he knows the process from all sides. Give Norm a call today and find out how a reverse mortgage can enrich your retirement. Call 877-528-4429. Senior Reverse Mortgage Services, Inc. is an equal opportunity lender. NMLS number 257913.